What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day, more and more Google Pixel 4 photos are leaking out. There's even videos out there. People have like review videos out there, but what I'm gonna link down below is more photos of this. And the main one I wanna show off is them setting up face unlock, and you can see the photo right here. The way it works, they have a little animation on the site. It works the same way as the iPhone. If you ever set it up on the iPhone, you just kind of go like this. Works the same way, and it's one of the big or new features coming to the Pixel phones, because Pixel phone hasn't had face unlock ever, and this will be the first time it has it, and I'm excited about it. What do you guys think? Do you guys use face unlock on your phone? I use it on my Galaxy phones. I know it's not the most secure, but I still use it. Just a nice way to not have to always, have to either put the code in or use my fingerprint or blah, 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 blah. What do you guys use it or not? Let me know in the comments down below. Next up, I should have mentioned this yesterday, actually forgot, but better late than never. The 45-watt official Samsung charger has shipped out to me, and I know a lot of you as well. Mine gets delivered today. I believe yours either got delivered yesterday or today, some of you guys. Once I get it, I'll do a video on it and let you know if it's even worth it, to see if it actually charges that much faster. I know there's videos out there before, but I'll do my own, guys. Don't you want to know Greggles TV's opinion? But anyways, if you want to purchase it, it is still available for purchase. I got it for free with my pre-order, and I'll let you guys know what I think. As you know, the Galaxy Fold is going to be a very, very expensive phone, basically about $2,000 to purchase this phone, and it looks like it's going to come with one discounted screen replacement. Now, it doesn't say how much exactly that screen replacement will cost, but that'll just be discounted. The article that I read from Sam Mobile has gone out and said that a Note 8 screen replacement is like 240 bucks. And they come to think that the screen replacement for the Galaxy Fold phone will probably be quite similar, probably be around that $200 mark. Discounted for that because it's such a big screen. It's such it's a foldable screen. There's a lot of differences versus a regular screen. So the full price on it would probably be about 500 bucks or so. At least that's what I think. And then the better part of this is you might want to end up getting the insurance with it. That way you just pay the deductible. The deductible will probably be what, 75 bucks or something like that. So at that point, this might be the only phone I truly recommend getting insurance for. I usually don't get it for myself. I know a lot of you guys still do, but I think the Galaxy Fold phone would be a perfect phone to get the insurance with. And the last story of the day is that the cutout where the camera is on the screen of the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus can now be used as an LED notification. Now, there has been third-party apps that could do this for you, but now there's a first-party app from Samsung called Good Lock, which I've done videos on before, and they put a new update out that allows you to do that so that when you get notifications, it'll ring around that little camera, which is awesome. And also, I'll do a separate video on it walking you guys through how to actually do that. But if you want to do it on your own, you know how to do it, you can do it right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, do you buy, I kind of already asked you, but do you get insurance on your phone, or you just play it safe for the case, or are you just not even worried about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I don't get insurance on my phone. If it gets stolen, that's my fault, I feel like, unless someone like randomly robbed me. But other than that, I don't know. You shouldn't be just losing your phone. Your phone should either be on you at all times. You should know where it is at all times. So I don't think that should be a reason to get it. I think really the reason should be the cracked screen, or you broke it somehow, but you're still covered up to a year with like manufacturer defects. And then, and I don't keep my phone usually longer than 6 months at a time sometimes. So I don't know, that's usually why I don't get it. What about you guys? Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Don't forget to watch my Galaxy Note 10 review video. I linked it down below. Check it out. Peace.